Touch.
People always talk about my come up, cause I've been going all every summer. Pussy wanna talk about numbers, but you manage your buying swipe, so by me ain't nobody.
Hello guys, what's up? Do you ever try to promote your channel subscriber like this before by using sub for sub apps? Then stop doing this. So guys, welcome back to JTech, and I'm sure this video is gonna help you if you are a new YouTuber. I suggest you to watch this video till the end so that you don't miss anything. So let's get into the topics. Have you ever heard of these apps none other than sub for sub? If you do, and if you are using this app right now, then please stop using it. You might be thinking why I'm forcing you from using these apps because it gives you more subscriber, but that's not true. But yes, it gives subscriber, but in fact, what this apps does, it allows you to connect to other users or YouTubers, and what it do in real is those users who are using these apps will tell you to subscribe to their channel, and they will also subscribe you as well. I mean exchange of subscriber or vice versa, but in actual point of view it will only increase your subscriber counts in your channels, and sadly no one is going to watch your videos, and YouTube does not want this to happen because the YouTube's algorithm deeply analyzes your for reviews and then quickly check everything, and even if you've got tons of subscriber but no views or watch time in your videos, then it means nothing worth at all. Like even I was new on YouTube and I started my first channel last year back. I was also the victim of this app. I found myself using this application, but then when I researched deeply into why I'm using these apps, I realized my biggest mistake ever. I learned my mistake from there, and I started watching more related videos on YouTube, and all those big YouTubers were against the app, what we call it sub for sub, right? I stopped using these apps right from the moment I realized my mistake. That is, if you wanted to be successful on YouTube, then you need to follow those rules and regulations of YouTube's community. Yes, and for sure, if you are using this app, it will only going to affect your channel in long terms, and most likely to get banned from YouTube. So guys, I recommend you to not to do things that YouTube doesn't necessarily want or like it. Make your own contents, edit them well, put the best thumbnails that suited your videos, and your channel is going to grow very fast. Have patience on what you are doing right now, and never give up, and you will be successful one day. So guys, too much for the talk, and I hope you understand everything from here. And at last, I want to let you know that if you know someone using this kind of things, then please let them know and pass the message as much as you can, so that who knows this will save their channel. Let's end the video from here, but before that, if you found yourself useful, then please click the subscribe button down below for me, which will be a lot for me. And thank you once again for visiting my channel, and be sure to be well, and peace.